It's like you and Wei Quan constantly having a competition about who can embarrass me even more. 有这样惨咩？干，真的很惨哦，大便了。
Guys, we reached the Seongsan Ilchulbong. Seongsan Ilchulbong. Seongsan Ilchulbong. So there's a Haenyo performance every day, and it starts at 1:30 or 3:30. The current time is like 1:35 lah. It's like we are running out of life to like go see the performance. There's already a lot of people there, as you can see below. So there's one at 1:30 and one at 3. Look at the amount of people that is over here. Whoa! Luckily we still make it in time. They don't even have like oxygen tank all this eh. They just like go in one eh. Wow, cow, they're damn strong eh. At that age, you tell them Loy to win. Ma'am Loy, you can do it one. Come here and have a try. 死啊你！死啊你！
You think about it, they come here to fish all the time, right?
You go interview the lady.
Wait, okay? Yeah? Yeah? You go and do this. Wait, okay?
你要被扒嘞，喂了！我整你，我跟你讲。
其实那个下面全部都是有一个 line 的。
So right, this comment is personally just by Qing itself. So if like the
it's not representative.
Yeah, it's not representative of us. So you want to sue right, just sue her already. You caught already right, then you'll be stored here lah.
I need more wasabi. So total of this is 50k.
이번에 마라도가 이걸 하나 먹는데
어디
내장 이만큼 쓸어주고 얼마 아이고
Okay, do. I know what you eat. You need more wasabi, master. You want water?
나중에 상자를 하나 먹지
Pick up. I go you.
계속 들어갔고. 아유, 여러 개도 가져왔어. 가자.
내가 하고
그냥 항상 먹을 때마다 너 생각나 먹고 엄마 생고기가 사줬는데 이렇게 생각나잖아.
He will be quite old maybe even 30 you never know.
Yeah, possible. We were talking about the go.
Luckily we still make it in time.
What usually look younger than 20?
Oh really?
No, but
maybe
she
she's
got a 操老 face.
Yeah, you she 中了操老
No. Got different one.
야 이렇게 안 해봤냐 나?
해봤지.
Yes.
Did you just drop a phone?
Yeah.
Did it crack?
Yeah.
It died.
How did it crack? Oh, your temper glass okay. Okay lah, never mind lah.
No, I think the inside crack also.
You take out your temper glass lah.
Yeah, I think I'll come over first.
Later lah, when we have options to change it.
It was only the beginning.
We thought here is the end lah, but well, there's still stairs down there to go up. We should keep going.
Can one lah.
Can one lah. Let's go. Guys, we're almost at the end. Let me present to you the ultimate nicest from Jeju. So this is like, yeah, this is the one that Running Man killed lah. This is the damn bloody big.
Not on the right.
Mazeland. We Bosikan Isoyo. Bosikan. We have to leave this area by 1 hour, and it's like this.
You all don't need the map one lah.
Okay, we try out the map. So this is the first one. This is called the wind symbol.
Hey, try and understand it. Can I get a pen?
This is the more fun way.
Can I get a pen?
This is the
Oh, that's why just now he
That's
said
the
the
easier
outside.
way.
Okay, then go to.
Okay, so now we are starting on the second part. It's called the Bijarim-ro. Yeah, women confirm go missing. Which I think Qing won't go missing lah. So let's go. The theory of always turn left 없습니다.
What do you mean 없습니다?
와 없습니다. 와 없습니다.
없습니다.
않습니다. Oh, is it 없습니다 again?
없습니다.
없습니다. So we are on the wrong route. This way. Let's go.
What do you mean by this? Huh? Oh, we have to.
Oh shit.
I think we shit already.
Oh no.
Come on, we come
없습니다.
Yeah, we come there.
We come there.
We just climb out, then after that go to the other side.
So 다빈. Yeah, so we have just exited the Bijarim-ro. So the next stage of life will be the Juju-do. So everywhere you can see in Jeju, a stone rock. Let's go.
Guys,
Like this, yo. To the break the door. Do you feel me? It's time to lower off. 없습니다. We have mastered the way of walking
nothing can face us anymore.
after Harasan.
Not Memloy. Not the RSN.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, confirm I'll pour this.
Nothing will face us.
That's right. Nothing in our way.
The power of youth.
You're right, you're done, guys.
Welcome to Indonesia.
Yeah, we have the.
So that marks the end of the Mazeland. See you at the airport.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, we can try the. I want to see what flavor it is.
Okay.
Nutella, sushi burger.
Gimbal. Oh,
How's it?
here's a shrimp.
So my mother.
I'll be eating. See you later on the.
Chicken.
I'll see you later on the plane. Bye. Wow, damn big eh.
Wow.
Can you like open the whole thing? Wow. Siao liao. Yeah, so dead.
House with puppies. Wow.
Huh? House with Bobby?
I like how they just put house with puppies.
Well,